there, Champ Barbecuers. Today, we are doing up something new. We're doing a Blooming Onion. Oh, hell yeah, with Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R shake. Oh, yeah, check this out. We're doing it up on the Weber 22 with the original Weber baskets in the center in a Dutch oven. Oh, check this out. hell yeah. Blooming Onion, Uncle Steve Shake, Sweet Spicy R. Oh, hell yeah. And that sauce. Oh man. If you've never made one, do it. This is rocking. Wow. Ooh, she hot. She hot. Let's take an edge piece. Man. And that sauce. Homemade sauce, easy to do. Man, first blooming onion I've ever made. Yeah, that's happening more often. Oh, hell yeah, folks. Oh, so we got to do an arts and crafts today. Boom, sticker board, ready to go. Send me your stickers. Email me, beardchampbarbecue@gmail.com. I'll send you a sticker, you send me a sticker, whatever it is. Let's get this sticker wall. And I got 2 more boards. So boom, 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 fill them up. Advertising for free. Oh, hell yeah, here at the Beard Champ Barbecue. I am loving cooking on my Weber kettles. What about you guys? I see so many people using that Masterbuilt Gravity charcoal gimmick. I got one of these pellet gimmicks behind me. But just classic kettle cooking. Man. Newfound happiness right here. Let me tell you. It's so simple. They're so awesome. The only thing I don't like is their damn wobbly legs. But you can fix that. That one's not so bad. But you can fix that. It's no big deal. These things rock. Weber kettles. I'm sure any kettle. I got a Kingsford kettle that rocks pretty good too. These though I do like better because they got that ash collection down at the bottom. Can't beat that. Easy cleanup. And they look awesome. I love the look of them. Especially that guy. Oh, yeah. That color. Oh, that color. Yeah, and this 26. Boom. She's a beast. What's your favorite grill to cook on? And what's the easiest, in your opinion? And if you only had to pick one out of everyone out there, you had, say, $5,000. What grill would you pick? So I was in a hurry and I slapped 2 blooming onions in this Dutch oven. It's a 6-quart. But these things were freaking melon sized. I should have done one at a time and got the oil more in there. But hey, they were delicious. They really were. Only about half was delicious. Where you could have got a little bit better of a crisp down inside each petal. And hey, when you're in a rush, these things happen. So either way, they rocked. First time ever doing them, so next time I should be gold. Should be gold. So that Uncle Steve shake, I made a really good sauce as well for dipping those onion petals. Oh, that rocked. So good. So easy to make. And I will leave the recipe in the description below for both the blooming onion and that sauce. And that was so easy and simple and oh, boom. Awesome. So join the Beard Champ Nation, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah. So, with that question, if you had $5,000, I would spend the 300 over here on this guy. I think it was 300. It was like $300. And then that basket with a heat deflector. I want to get a better heat deflector. That thing is starting to warp and it's getting all wonky and everything. But anyway, say you're wrapped up with this guy for 400 bones. That leaves $4,600 for beer. Oh, hell yeah.